Happy Monday. All right, let's go ahead and add some dates to our calendar. The month is November. We were not in school on Saturday, so we didn't add a leaf to our calendar. That was the 7th. We weren't in school on Sunday to add a leaf. That was the 8th. I think that we definitely see a pattern happening here. So we have red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, and our next one will be red, right? And after 8 comes the number 9. 9 is a red leaf. Now, when you have two different things, like a red leaf and a yellow leaf, that repeat over and over again, that's a pattern, and it's a special kind of pattern called an A-B pattern. So you would say that all of the red leaves are the A's, and all of the yellow leaves are the B's. So two things that repeat themselves over and over again is an A-B pattern, which is the pattern that we have on our calendar. Now, if you look at the number 9, which is today's date, and you go straight up the calendar, it tells you that today starts with that letter M, Monday. Today is Monday. Oops, we forgot to put them back over from last week, or I forgot to put them back over from last week. So today is Monday. What comes right before Monday? The one that's right above Monday is Sunday, right? So yesterday was Sunday. Think about your song. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday, right? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. And speaking of your song, let's go ahead and do your Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now, while our words go Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, when you look at the calendar, they go across the calendar like that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, let's count how many days we've been in school. Last Friday, we had been in school for 58 days. So we're going to go one more than 58, and that would be 59 days. Now we have a 5 in our tens place. So we have 5 base 10 blocks down here that represent tens, that will count by tens. And we have 9 in our ones place. So we need to add one more base 10 single. So now we have 9 ones. And when I'm talking about tens and ones, I'm talking about place value. And place value is one of the hardest things that first graders learn. So if you can understand place value as a kindergartner, you will be ahead of the game for sure. So there's 5 tens and 9 ones that make up 59. So let's go ahead and count. Let's count these by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59 days. So let's take a look at our 100 chart, and we are going to count all the way to 59. Before we do, I want to call your attention because we talked about how all of the numbers in this last column ended with 0. Check out this column. All of the numbers end in 9. You've got 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. There's our number 59, 69, 79, 89, and 99. All kinds of fun patterns on a 100 chart. So let's go ahead and count to 59. You count with me, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. We did it. And it's very important that you practice counting with me because if you want to get good at anything, you have to practice, right? If you want to be a good football player, you have to practice. If you want to be a great soccer player, you have to practice. If you want to be an awesome dancer, you have to practice. Now, we're not going to get a new shape today. We're just going to review the shapes that we've had before, which circle, triangle. See if you can say it before I do. Rhombus, right? Use that R as your clue. Rhombus, square, and rectangle. All right, we're not getting a new number either. We're just going to review the number that we had last week. This is the number 9. Now, I want you to take a look at the shape of this number 9 because number 9s can look just a little bit different. Like, see how this one has the line that kind of curves? It almost looks like a letter G, but it's a number. It's number 9. If you look at our days in school, our number 9 is more of a diagonal line, but it's straight. So numbers can look different depending on what font they're written in. So we have 9 bears in our jar, and I want to count those with you. So go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And did you notice how I touched each bear as I counted it using the count and touch strategy? That's our 10 frame that represents the number 9. And those are tally marks that show 9. Remember that that's the 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I want to do something a little different with one more today. We're still talking about what is one more, but we're going to do it just a little bit differently today. Now, in the first one, we've got one donut, and I'm showing it right up here above the number 1. All right, so I've got one donut plus I'm going to add one more donut. And you're going to tell me what that equals. Have you ever heard that before where someone says 1 plus 1 equals? Well, let's take a look and see what that is. Let's add another donut to our number line. So I had one donut, I added one more. Now I have 2 donuts. There we go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. All right, let's move down here. I'm starting with 2 donuts this time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put 2 down here. Looks like I have to copy a 1. I'm going to add one more, so I'm going to use that plus sign. Do you know what the plus sign is? Have you seen that before? That means we're putting something together. We're going to put these 2 donuts plus one more donut together. So I had 2 donuts. I added one more. Now, how many donuts does that equal? That's our equal sign right there. Right, it equals 3 donuts. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 more equals 3. All right, I'll see you in just a little bit for Heggerty and a read aloud.